In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a PayPal to your Shopify. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you control how customers can pay at checkout. When you are in the dashboard, look for the main navigation area or the settings menu. The goal is to reach the payment settings because that is where you connect PayPal to your store. Next, go to Settings and then open the Payments section. Depending on your Shopify interface version, you may see it labeled simply as Payments, or you may find it under a broader settings category. Take a moment here to confirm you are in the correct place, because this section controls the payment methods your customers will see. Once you are in Payments, you will be able to manage provider options and checkout settings. Now, within the Payments area, look for the PayPal Express checkout option. You might see it listed among the available payment methods. If the screen shows a status message or a prompt indicating that setup is incomplete, that is the one you want. This usually means PayPal is not fully connected yet, and you will need to finish the configuration steps to make it active. Before you click anything, review the information on the screen so you know what you are completing. The PayPal Express checkout setup being marked incomplete typically means Shopify is waiting for a confirmation process. That confirmation could involve granting permissions or confirming the connection. The important part is that you are only finishing the setup, not guessing or switching to a different payment method. When you are ready, click on PayPal Express Checkout Setup. This takes you into the setup flow for PayPal. You may see a line that indicates it is incomplete, and you may also see a button or link related to completing setup. Click the setup entry so Shopify can guide you through the final steps. After you enter the PayPal setup area, you will see an option to complete the setup. The next action is to click Complete Setup. This is the key moment where Shopify will start the connection process for PayPal Express Checkout. Depending on your browser and settings, you may be redirected or prompted to confirm the connection through the PayPal side. As you click Complete Setup, pay attention to what appears on screen next. The system is likely preparing the integration and may ask you to confirm details related to authorizing PayPal for checkout. If there are any confirmation dialogues, follow through carefully and make sure you complete every step shown. If the setup process opens in a new window or tab, do not close it until the integration confirms that it is connected. Once the setup flow finishes, return to your Shopify Payments page. At this point, you should see that PayPal Express Checkout is no longer marked as incomplete. Instead, the status should indicate that PayPal is set up or enabled. If it still looks incomplete, recheck that the integration flow was fully completed and that you return to Shopify after authorization. Finally, take a quick look at your checkout settings to ensure PayPal is actually available to customers. You do not need to change anything else unless something is clearly not enabled. The main objective is to connect PayPal Express Checkout so it can appear as a payment option at checkout. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.